Today our topic is the role of passion in achieving greatness. Passion is one of the most powerful forces in life. It is the fire that keeps us moving forward, even when things get tough. Without passion, life can feel dull and meaningless. But with passion, even the smallest actions can lead to incredible achievements. So, what is passion? Passion is that deep feeling of love and excitement for something. It could be a hobby, a career, a cause, or even a dream. Passion is what makes you wake up in the morning with energy and purpose. It is what pushes you to work hard, even when no one is watching. Passion is not just a feeling, it is a driving force. It is the reason why some people achieve greatness while others settle for average. Let's think about some of the greatest people in history. People like Leonardo da Vinci, Marie Curie, or Martin Luther King Jr. What did they all have in common? They were passionate about what they did. Leonardo da Vinci was passionate about art and science. He spent hours studying the human body, painting masterpieces, and inventing machines. Marie Curie was passionate about science and discovery. She worked tirelessly in her lab, even when it was dangerous, and she became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize. Martin Luther King Jr. was passionate about justice and equality. He fought for civil rights, even when it meant risking his life. These people did not achieve greatness by accident. They achieved it because they were deeply passionate about their goals. Their passion gave them the strength to keep going, even when things were hard. But passion alone is not enough. Passion is like the engine of a car, but you also need fuel, a map, and a driver. The fuel is your hard work, the map is your plan, and the driver is your discipline. Passion gives you the energy to start, but you need hard work to keep going. Passion helps you dream, but you need a plan to turn those dreams into reality. Passion inspires you, but you need discipline to stay focused. Without these things, passion can burn out quickly. Think of passion as a fire. If you don't add wood to the fire, it will die. If you don't protect it from the wind, it will go out. Passion needs to be nurtured and supported. One of the biggest challenges in life is staying passionate when things get tough. Life is not always easy. There will be times when you feel tired, frustrated, or even hopeless. These are the moments when passion is most important. When you feel like giving up, your passion will remind you why you started in the first place. It will give you the courage to keep going. For example, imagine you are an artist. You spend hours painting, but no one seems to notice your work. You start to feel discouraged. But if you are truly passionate about art, you will keep painting anyway. You will find joy in the process, not just the result. You will keep improving, even if no one is watching. This is the power of passion. It keeps you going, even when the world seems against you. Now, let's talk about Stoicism. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy that teaches us how to stay strong and calm, no matter what happens in life. Stoics believe that we cannot control everything, but we can control how we react to things. This is a very important lesson when it comes to passion. Passion can sometimes make us emotional. We can feel excited, angry, or even desperate. But Stoicism teaches us to stay balanced. It teaches us to focus on what we can control and let go of what we cannot control. For example, if you are passionate about a project, you can control how much effort you put into it. But you cannot control how other people react to it. If someone criticizes your work, you can choose to learn from it or ignore it. You cannot control their opinion, but you can control your response. This is how passion and stoicism work together. Passion gives you the energy to act, and stoicism helps you stay calm and focused. Another important aspect of passion is finding your true purpose. Many people go through life without knowing what they are passionate about. They follow the path that others have set for them, but they feel empty inside. If you want to achieve greatness, you need to find your own path. You need to discover what makes you truly happy. This is not always easy. It takes time, reflection, and courage. You may need to try different things before you find your passion. But once you find it, everything changes. You feel alive, motivated, and inspired. You wake up every day with a sense of purpose. This is why it is so important to listen to your heart. Don't be afraid to follow your dreams, even if they seem unrealistic. The world needs people who are passionate about what they do. It needs people who are willing to take risks and think differently. Passion is also contagious. When you are passionate about something, it inspires others. Your energy and enthusiasm can motivate people around you. This is why passionate leaders are so effective. They don't just tell people what to do, they show them why it matters. They inspire others to believe in the same vision. Think about your own life. Have you ever been inspired by someone who was truly passionate? Maybe it was a teacher, a friend, or even a stranger. Their passion made you want to do better, to be better. This is the power of passion. It not only drives you, but also lifts others up. But passion is not always easy to maintain. Life is full of distractions and challenges. There will be times when you lose sight of your passion. You may feel overwhelmed by responsibilities or discouraged by failure. This is normal. What matters is how you handle these moments. When you feel lost, take a step back and remind yourself why you started. Reconnect with your passion. Think about the things that make you happy and excited. Surround yourself with people who support and inspire you. And most importantly, be patient with yourself. Passion is not something that happens overnight. It grows over time, like a tree. You need to water it, give it sunlight, and protect it from storms. In conclusion, passion plays a crucial role in achieving greatness. It is the spark that ignites our dreams and the fuel that keeps us moving forward. Without passion, life can feel empty and meaningless. But with passion, even the smallest actions can lead to incredible achievements. Passion gives us the energy to work hard, the courage to face challenges, and the strength to keep going. It inspires us to find our true purpose and to follow our dreams. And when we are passionate, we inspire others to do the same. So, if you want to achieve greatness, find your passion. Discover what makes you truly happy and pursue it with all your heart. Remember, passion is not just a feeling, it is a choice. Choose to live passionately, and you will create a life filled with meaning and purpose.